show you my Genius Hour project, and this is my Genius Hour project. My Genius Hour project is about what is the difference between a plane and a helicopter. So you can see there is a plane and a helicopter here, and I wrote planes information right here and helicopters right here. So I'm just gonna go over it and explain you guys both of it. Planes. Planes fly, but they need specific speed, thrust, and good engines. Plane should catch the speed that requires good engine. Planes was discovered by Wright brothers. The airline found in 1937 provided schedule and chartered air transport for passengers and cargo to 182 destinations worldwide. It is world's 10th largest passenger airline by flight size and is a founding member of the Star Allies. Air Canada's Concord headquarters are located in Montreal. I'm just gonna go over helicopter. A helicopter is a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by rollers. This allows the helicopter to take off and land vertically, to forward and to fly forwards, backwards, and lurches. This ability allows a helicopter to be used in conflicts or incident areas where fixed wings aircraft and many fall off VT mode. But vertical takeoff and landing aircraft cannot perform. Helicopters were developed and built during the first half century of flight with the Luke FW-61. Began the first helicopter in 1936. That's my project of how to build, what is the difference between a plane and a helicopter.